Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Learn now, from your learning partner. Today we're going to learn how to launch Power Query in Power BI. Power Query is an incredibly powerful tool that helps us to transform, clean, and shape data to suit our needs. If you're new to Power BI, don't worry, we have created a complete watch list that will guide you step by step, where we explain everything you need to know. So let's dive in. Power Query. Once you have Power BI desktop open, you'll want to load your data into the program. There is the two option to launch the Power Query. First one is the option when we load the data in Power BI, and the other is the option after we had loaded the data in Power BI and then you want to add some query in your existing. To do that we need go on Home tab, then transform data from the query. We will be discussing both the option and details. First, we will explore our option 1 where we will be loading the data in Power BI. You can do this by selecting Get Data from the Home tab in the ribbon. From there, you'll see a variety of options to load data from different sources, such as Excel spreadsheets, CSV files, or databases. After you have loaded your data, the next step is to select the Data tab in the ribbon. Within the Data tab, you'll see an option called Transform Data. Click on that, and you have now launched Power Query. Power Query should open up in a new window, and from there, you can start taking advantage of its many tools and features to shape and transform your data. After loading your data into Power Query Editor, you'll see the following screen. Option 1 in the ribbon, the active buttons enable you to interact with the data in the query. Option 2 on the left pane, queries, one for each table or entity, are listed and available for selecting, viewing, and shaping. Option 3 on the center pane, data from the selected query is displayed and available for shaping. Option 4, the query settings window lists the query's properties and applied steps. Some common functions within Power Query include filtering data, merging tables, and creating calculated columns. We will be covering each and every featured in detail in our upcoming video. After you had done any changes, it will be recorded over here like a macro. For example, we will delete one column and now you can see it has added a macro on the right side. Now if you want to delete another column again, it will be added over here. Now if you want to have column back, which we had deleted the above of the previous one, you can click over here on the cross and it will be loaded back to our main table. Now we can go on the left side of the query, where we can find the option to close and apply. Now it will apply all our changes and will load the data. This was about the first option. Now we will be discussing the second option. If you had loaded the data and you had forgot to clean or transform the data, then you can do it at any stage by going to Home ribbon, and from Home ribbon you can go to the Transform Data query. Once you click on it, it will expand and you can select the first option to transform the data. Once you click on Transform the Data, it will open the same Power Query which we've had discussed earlier. And from here, we can do the changes we need and then we can click on the left side of the pan and load it. This was all about how to load the Power Query in Power BI. In the next video, we will be discussing how to work on Power Query in Power BI. Till that time, take care and we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.